In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link in Obsidian. If you're new to Obsidian or looking to make the most of your note-taking experience, this tutorial will guide you through the simple yet powerful process of linking notes, enhancing your productivity and organization. First things first, make sure you have the Obsidian app installed on your computer. Obsidian is a versatile tool designed to help you manage your notes efficiently with a unique linking system. If you haven't already downloaded it, head over to their official website and get it set up. Once you have Obsidian installed, let's open it up. This will bring you to the main interface where you can manage your vaults and notes. If you're already familiar with the layout, great. If not, take a moment to explore the simple and intuitive design. Now, to begin creating links, we need to have some notes to work with. Let's start by creating a new note. For our example, we'll name this note Sample Note 1. To do this, simply click on the New Note button, usually located on the left sidebar, and type in the name at the top of the note. Next, we'll create another note. This time, let's name it Sample Note 2. The process is exactly the same as before. Click that New Note button and give it a name at the top. Having multiple notes allows us to demonstrate how the linking function works effectively. Now that we have both Sample Note 1" and Sample Note 2, it's time to link them together. This is where the magic of Obsidian really shines. To create a link from one note to another, you'll use what is called the double bracket syntax. This is a simple concept, but incredibly powerful for organizing your thoughts and information. Let's go back to Sample Note 1. Here, we'll manually enter the link to Sample Note 2. To do this, type 2 opening square brackets, followed by the exact name of the note you want to link to, in this case, Sample Note 2, and then close the brackets with 2 more. It should look like this, Sample Note 2. Once you've typed this, Obsidian automatically recognizes it as a link. You can click on this link to navigate directly to Sample Note 2. This feature allows you to create a network of interconnected notes, which can be incredibly useful for research, project management, or just keeping your thoughts organized. And there you have it. You've successfully created a link in Obsidian. This simple technique can dramatically enhance the way you interact with your notes, making it easier to find information and see connections between different pieces of information. As you continue to use Obsidian, you'll discover more ways to leverage its features to suit your needs. Happy note-taking!